When we talk about the history of the world orders, we can easily classify it into the three main phases. The most important event that took place in the previous century was the World War II. Before that, the world was Eurocentric and there was the doctrine of balance of power. After the World War II, the world moved towards the bipolarization. That was the period of the Cold War. And after the disintegration of the USSR, the world had become unipolar. United States was the sole power of the world. But now the situation is completely different. There are a couple of countries like China who are now challenging the economic supremacy of the United States in the real terms, and there are some of the other countries are also like Brazil and South Africa, India from Asia as well. So these countries have the potential to dethrone the United States from its position in the near future.